Here's some Dadaism Movement trivia. Subscribe. Which Swiss city is known as Dada's birthplace? Is it A. Zurich, B. Geneva, C. Basel, or D. Bern? The correct answer is A. Zurich. What art form is primarily associated with the Dada movement? Is it A. Sculpture, B. Literature, C. Visual art, or D. Music? The correct answer is C. Visual art. Which event largely catalyzed the Dada movement? Is it A. the Cold War, B. the Renaissance, C. the Great Depression, or D. World War I? The correct answer is D. World War I. Who is considered the founder of the Dada movement? Is it A. Hugo Ball, B. Marcel Duchamp, C. Tristan Tzara, or D. André Breton? The correct answer is A. Hugo Ball. What year marked the official founding of Dada? Is it A. 1931, B. 1914, C. 1920, or D. 1916? The correct answer is D. 1916. Which Dada artist created the fountain sculpture? Is it A. Kurt Schwitters, B. Hannah Hoke, C. Marcel Duchamp, or D. Man Ray? The correct answer is C. Marcel Duchamp. What art technique was used to critique societal norms? Is it A. assemblage, B. fresco, C. pointillism, or D. collage? The correct answer is D. collage. What was the primary intention of Dada art? Is it A. to celebrate realism, B. to promote nationalism, C. to establish traditions, or D. to provoke? The correct answer is D. to provoke. Who collaborated with Duchamp on The Bride Stripped Bare? Is it A. Marcel Breuer, B. Man Ray, C. Henri Matisse, or D. Salvador Dali? The correct answer is B. Man Ray. In which decade did Dadaism decline? Is it A. 1940s, B. 1930s, C. 1910s, or D. 1920s? The correct answer is D. 1920s. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.